In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a simple, yet effective contact form plugin for WordPress. We'll be using Chat GPT, a powerful language model trained by OpenAI, to help us with the code and answer any questions along the way. We'll cover everything from setting up the plugin files, to adding the form to your site, to validating user input and preventing spam using Google reCAPTCHA. So if you're ready to learn how to make your own WordPress contact form plugin, let's get started. Let's start by asking ChatGPT for a WordPress plugin. Let's see how it responds. After requesting ChatGPT to generate a basic contact form plugin, the machine promptly started to generate the code. We then requested ChatGPT to generate the CSS for the contact form. The current contact form has 3 fields: name, email, and message body. We requested ChatGPT to add a phone number field. ChatGPT regenerated the code, and added an email field, and a phone sanitizer function. Excellent. We again requested Chat GPT to add CAPTCHA and redirect to a thank you page after form submission. Surprisingly, Chat GPT started to generate the new code for us. As we were using the free version, it got stuck somewhere and completed the code after our further chat. Finally, we got the code for the WordPress contact form plugin. Let's test how it works.
Copy the generated code and paste it into any code editor. In my case, I used Notepad++. The file should then be saved with the .php extension. Make necessary changes to the code, text, domain name, etc. Replace http://www.mydomain.com/thankyou with the link you want to redirect. Create a redirect page. In our case, it is, "Thank you" page. Keeping the file in a folder, zip the folder with the extension .zip. Which is our WordPress contact form plugin. Upload the plugin via the WordPress plugin upload. Activate the plugin in the WordPress dashboard. Create a new page or post, and add the shortcode contact_form.
to the page or post content. Customize the form's CSS and fields as needed. Now test the form. You will see that reCAPTCHA is not loading. Update your secret key and your site key with your actual reCAPTCHA secret key and site key, respectively, for reCAPTCHA version 2. You can do it via cPanel, or update the code first, in Code Editor, with reCAPTCHA code and then upload to install and then, activate. Reload the page, and you will see that there are no errors on the form. Fill out the form and submit it. Go to your email account, and you'll see a new mail from WordPress@yourdomain.com. To change the sender name from WordPress@yourdomain.com to yourname@yourdomain.com. Use the following code in the WordPress theme function file. Function.php. Now, test the form again, and you will see that the sender name has been updated. This plugin is almost premium quality. With a little coding knowledge, you can customize it to fit your own need. This is how you can get a WordPress contact form plugin using Chat GPT for free. Using Chat GPT for generating code and making recommendations on WordPress plugins can be a valuable tool for developers and website owners. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Chat GPT. We hope that you found the information helpful, and that it can be a valuable tool in your development and website management efforts. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below.